Hey everyone, this is Maths Guy Channel here, and today we'll be going through transformations. For some reason my webcam isn't working. Not sure why that is the case, since I haven't really done anything, but we'll just leave that aside for now. So, the three things we want to talk. So for transformations, the three things we want to highlight here is a dilation, a reflection, and a translation. So if I go to Desmos, let's say, and I put a point, what's the example here given? 1, 2. Okay, so at that point, if I book it and I dilate it by a factor of 2 parallel to the y-axis or from the axis, it becomes 1, 4. We say parallel to the y-axis because you see that the stretchiness is further away from the axis in the same direction as the y-axis. And that's sort of the terminology you use there. In the same way, he reversed the process here, 2, 7 dilated by half parallel to the x-axis. From 2 to 7 becomes 1 to 7. Reflection, so if we have 0.12 and we reflect it over the y-axis, it becomes -1, 2. Or we reflect it over the, in the x-axis, it becomes 1, -2. Yeah. So see from this blue dot here that the reflections can change the coordinates of the points. Lastly, we're going to do translations. So that's kind of just moving the dot. So we have the point 2, 7 here now. 2, 7 up here, and we move it in the positive x direction. Right, it becomes 4, 7. So yeah, it's going in. So the x direction is taken as positive x direction to the right, negative is to the left, and the same way, positive y is up and negative y is down. But I'm assuming you understand that, which in that case, you probably don't need to go through that then. So this is the general. This is a little bit tedious here. This is the general form of transformations. Here, f of x of some function. These are all the possible ways you can. All the possible ways you can transform it. So dilation from the x-axis, from the y-axis, if it's a and n or negative translations, and this is just how you would change the coordinates. This is kind of done before. And this is just 2 examples of transformations. So if you want, if the question asks you for, you have a function like x squared, and it becomes, that's a function here, and asks you for what transformations have occurred, you'd do it from left to right. So it'd be half from the x-axis. So this part here, this very first quotient, half from the y-axis. That's 2 here. 3 over 2. So that's 3 because the 2's are from here. So it'd be 3 divided by 2. So you get 2x plus 3, and 4 units in the negative direction. So here. And for this example here, it says, if g of x is square root of x, and a bunch of transformations are applied, what is your ending function? And you get, so if you follow these steps in the correct order, is this. This should be your answer to the right. Yep, dilation 3. So the 3 comes from half is 2x comes in. Translation 1 unit down, and reflection is a negative. And yeah, that'll be all.